Assalamualaikum and a very good day to everyone. We are from Group 5 and today we would like to present our group assignment entitled Statistical Analysis of Insurance Charge Dataset. So, let's go! Statistical data analysis is the process of collecting, organizing, analyzing, and interpreting data to obtain meaningful information and support decision making. In business, statistical analysis helps organizations identify patterns, understanding relationship between variables, and make data-driven decisions. For this study, we use a dataset consisting of 1,338 observations related to insurance charge. The variables included in the dataset are age, gender, body mass index or BMI, number of children, smoking status, region, and insurance charge. The main objective of this analysis is to identify factors that influence insurance charge and to demonstrate how statistical technique can assist insurance companies in making better business decisions regarding risk assessment and premium pricing. Before conducting the statistical analysis, a sampling procedure was carried out. The sampling process was based on the last two digits of each group member's magic number, which were 69, 16, 50, 66, and 56. After arranging this value in ascending order, the smallest values was 16 and the largest value was 69. Based on the assignment requirements, the sample size was calculated as 500 minus 16, which equal 484. Meanwhile, the range was calculated as 500 plus 69, which equal 569. Using IBM SPSS software, we selected 484 observations from the first 569 observations through the simple random sampling method. Simple random sampling was chosen because every observation has an equal probability of being selected. Therefore, the sample obtained is unbiased and representative of the population, which increased the reliability of our finding.
Next, I will explain the descriptive statistics findings, starting with the measures of central tendency. Measures of central tendency consist of the mean, median, and mode. These measures help us identify the typical value of each variable in the dataset. For age, the mean is 39.45 years, the median is 40 years, and the mode is 19 years. For BMI, the mean is 30.70, the median is 30.50, and the mode is 26.60. For the number of children, the mean is 1.04, the median is 1, and the mode is 0. Finally, for insurance charges, the mean is 13,001 ringgit 39 cents, the median is 9,421 ringgit and 97 cents, and the mode is 1,137 ringgit and 1 cent. An important observation is that the mean insurance charge is much higher than the median. This indicates that the distribution of insurance charges is positively skewed, meaning a small number of respondents incur exceptionally high insurance costs. Next, we analyzed the measures of position using quartiles. For age, the first quartile is 26 years, the median is 40 years, and the third quartile is 53 years. This means that 50% of respondents are between 26 and 53 years old. For insurance charges, the first quartile is 4,686 ringgit 74 cents. The median is 9,421 ringgit 97 cents, and the third quartile is 16,102 ringgit 93 cents. The large difference between the first and third quartiles suggests considerable variation in insurance charges among respondents. Next, we examined the measures of variation. Variation measures how spread out the data are from the average value. For insurance charges, the minimum value is 1,137 ringgit and 1 cent, while the maximum value is 63,770 ringgit and 43 cents. The range is 62,633 ringgit and 42 cents. And the standard deviation is 11,732 ringgit and 23 cents. Among all variables analyzed, insurance charges recorded the highest variability. This indicates that insurance costs differ substantially among respondents due to factors such as age, BMI, smoking status, and other health-related risks.
The first graphical representation is the pie chart showing gender distribution. Based on the chart, female respondents represent 50.62%, while male respondents account for 49.38% of the sample. The difference between the two groups is very small, indicating that both genders are almost equally represented in dataset. This balanced distribution is beneficial because it reduces gender bias and improves the reliability of our analysis. The second pie chart illustrates the smoking status distribution. The results shows that 18.99% of respondents are non-smokers, while only 19.09% are smokers. Although smokers represent a smaller percentage of the sample, they remain an important group because smoking is associated with higher health risks and medical expenses. Therefore, smoking status is expected to a significant influence on insurance charges. This histogram illustrates the distribution of insurance charges. The graph is positively skewed, meaning most respondents have relatively low insurance charges, while only a few respondents incur extremely high charges. Most insurance charges are below 20,000 ringgit, whereas only a small number exceed 40,000 ringgit. This finding is consistent with the descriptive statistic, where the mean is greater than the median. Next is the histogram of BMI distribution. The graph appears approximately bell-shaped with a slight positive skew. Most respondents have BMI values between 25 and 35, which indicates that many respondents fall within the overweight or obese category. Since the higher BMI levels are often associated with greater health risks, BMI may contribute to difference in insurance charges among respondents.
To determine whether smoking status affects insurance charges, we conducted an independent sample t-test. The hypotheses were formulated as follows. The null hypothesis states that there is no significant difference in insurance charges between smokers and non-smokers. The alternative hypothesis states that there is a significant difference in insurance charges between smokers and non-smokers. The significance level used for this analysis was 0.05. Based on the results, non-smokers recorded a mean insurance charge of 8,650.73 cents, while smokers recorded a much higher mean insurance charge of 31,538.96 cents. The p-value obtained from the t-test was less than 0.001. Since the p-value is lower than 0.05, we reject the null hypothesis. This means that there is a statistically significant difference in insurance charges between smokers and non-smokers. Therefore, smoking status is an important factor influencing insurance pricing and risk assessment. This finding also suggests that insurance companies charge higher premiums to smokers due to the greater likelihood of health-related claims.
Next, we conducted a one-way ANOVA to determine whether insurance charges differ across regions. The null hypothesis states there is no significant difference in insurance charge across different regions, and the alternative hypothesis states that there is at least one significant difference in insurance charge across regions. The ANOVA result produced an F value of 0.333 and a P value of 0.801. Since the p-value is greater than 0.05, we fail to reject the null hypothesis. This indicates that there is no statistically significant difference in insurance charge among respondents from different regions. In addition, all two KHST post-hoc significance values were greater than 0.05, confirming that no specific pair of regions differed significantly in terms of insurance charge. Therefore, region is not a significant factor affecting insurance charge within this dataset. In conclusion, this study successfully applied both descriptive and inferential statistical techniques to analyze insurance charge. The descriptive statistics showed that insurance charge vary considerably among respondents. The t-test analysis demonstrated that smoking status significantly affects insurance charge, with smokers paying substantially higher insurance premium than non-smokers. On the other hand, the ANOVA analysis revealed that the region does not significantly influence insurance charge. Overall, factors such as smoking status, age, and BMI appear to have a stronger impact on insurance pricing compared to geographical locations. The findings of this study demonstrates how statistical techniques can support evidence-based decision-making in business. By identifying factors that significantly influence insurance charge, insurance companies can improve risk assessments, develop more accurate premium pricing strategies, and enhance overall business performance. That concludes our presentation. Thank you for your attention.
So that's all from us. Thank you. Bye.